Arrive in style with this Ram 2018 3500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are dual rear wheels included, tires LT235/80R17 EBS WAS wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 steel argent clearance lamps, tire pressure monitoring, delete 17 steel spare wheel, 6,000-pound front axle with hub extension box and rear fender clearance lamps, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display included, 5.0 touchscreen display, overhead console, GPS antenna, input, temperature and compass gauge, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, remote USB port, charge only, Sirius XM satellite radio. For more info call 800-643-21121. 1-year Sirius XM radio service, electric shift on the fly, transfer case included, storage tray, popular equipment group included, remote keyless entry, carpet floor